Easy and delicious chicken pizza. Let me share the recipe with you. Start by adding in 3 cups of self-raising flour. I'm going to be using my food processor to mix this. You can also use your hand to knead this. Add in 1 sachet, which is equivalent to 1 tablespoon of active yeast. Add in 1 tablespoon sugar and add in a pinch of salt. Now go in with some Italian herbs and spice. This is going to make your pizza dough taste so delicious. Add in 2 tablespoons oil and now go ahead and add in your warm milk. All the list of ingredients used will be on the comment section and on the description box. Cover this up and use the mixer method on your food processor to mix this all up together. If you are going to be kneading this dough with your hands, you want to go ahead and knead this for about 6 minutes. Now the dough is fully ready. I'm going to transfer this into an oiled bowl. Please do like this video and let me know where you are watching from. Thank you for clicking on this video, and if you have not subscribed, do go ahead and hit on the subscribe button. Now cover the dough with a cling film and allow to rest for about an hour so it will rise in and double up in size. Now let's make the chicken filling for the pizza. I'll start by adding a drizzle of oil into my pan and transfer in some chicken breast. I'll season up the chicken with some garlic powder, some thyme, rosemary, some chicken stock powder, and I'll stir this all up together. All the spice and herbs are going to make this chicken filling taste really good. So now I'll add in just 2 tablespoons from my pizza sauce into this chicken to make it have like more flavor, and I will add in some chili flakes for a little bit of spiciness. 5 minutes later, the chicken breast is ready. Set it out of the fire and allow it to cool. At this point, our dough is ready. It has risen up and doubled in size. Now I'm going to take off the air of the dough, sprinkle in some flour into my work surface, and I will transfer the dough into my work surface. I'm going to be dividing this dough into 3 sides. And I'm going to use my palm to stretch out the dough. You can also use your rolling pin to stretch it out if you want. So now I have stretched out the dough into a circular shape. I'm going to sprinkle in some flour into my pizza pan and transfer the dough into the pizza tray. I'll take off any excess part of the pizza dough. So that's our pizza base ready. Now I'm going to do the same to the other batch. So in here I made out 2 trays of pizza. So if you have your pizza sauce, you can get that ready at this point. If you don't, I'm going to paste a link of my years ago pizza sauce recipe on this comment section, so you can copy that. I'll go in and poke some hole with my fork into the pizza dough, and I will transfer in my pizza sauce. Let me know if you want the recipe for this pizza sauce so I can drop the link on the comment section for you. So I'll spread out the pizza sauce and now go ahead and spread in some mozzarella cheese. The amount of mozzarella cheese to be used depends on your preference. If you love your pizza cheesy, be generous and go in and add in all the mozzarella cheese into your pizza. Now I'll go ahead and add in my chicken. And I'll also go ahead and add in some tiny green bell pepper strips. I'll also add in some onion. So when I'm done adding all the filling, I'll go ahead and bake this on 200 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. At this point, our delicious, simple and easy chicken pizza is ready. You can see how delicious this looks. I'll go ahead and cut this while it's piping hot and enjoy. So at this moment, sit back and have a slice or two of this delicious chicken pizza from me. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you do subscribe to the channel, like this video, drop a comment and let me know where you're watching from. Share this video to your loved ones so they can also enjoy from this easy and delicious recipe, and they don't have to get to the shop to start buying pizza when they can make a very simple and easy one at home. I'll see you again on my next one. Do have a lovely day. Bye.